Welcome to Database Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will create highlight table to show a specific value. Before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Now let's get started. Highlight table enable you to apply color to a text table when you need to display or need to show every value but also want to show color pattern or extreme values. We already talked about text table or spreadsheet, how to create a spreadsheet like view in previous video. You can watch from Tableau fundamental playlist in my channel. So to determine if highlight table is suitable for your data and consider the following point. Do you need to display a specific data value? Are you looking to identify the patterns or outlier across the entire data set? Will using color alone to highlight patterns or outlier meet your visualization goals? So let us suppose we have a business scenario. You have been asked to make a chart for your company that show the highest and lowest profit product subcategories across different market and region. Create a highlight table that display the specific profit value, making it easy to see the patterns and highest and lowest profit. This will help your team to make the decision about company's product. As an extra, add total to show which subcategories were the most and least profitable overall. So we can see all this business scenario. So let's go to Tableau. For this business scenario, we are using here Glover Superstore dataset which is available in text file. So let's click on this text file and select this dataset. Open. Now this dataset available in Tableau and this dataset already clean. So we do not need to clean again in Tableau. Okay. So just select this sheet and rename. Here I renaming highlight text table. Okay. So we need here market to drag this to column cell and the region also to column cell alongside market and category to row self and subcategory also to row self after category and drag this profit to here text slot, or you can also drag out now and drag this profit to here text mark. So these are the cross tab view or text table view you create here. We already talked about this in previous video. Okay. Now we want to highlight all these value using color pattern. So control and drag this to color mark and go to here automatic and select here square. Now you can see here the highlight table. Okay, and you can easily analyze data which is the lowest profit and which is the highest profit. Here is the lowest profit and dark blue is the highest profit in north area for Asia region. Here you can see Africa region. Here is the highest profit and these are the lowest profit. Okay, you can easily analyze now and spot now. Now we need to add total, grand total of row. So go to here analysis tab and go to here total and select here, click here show row grand total, and you can see here these are the still not highlight. So go to here color and edit color and select include total. Now you can see here the highlight of grand total, and you can easily find the which subcategory is the highest profit and which subcategory is the lowest profit. Here is the lowest profit for tables and here is the highest profit. These are the highest profit for this one. What is the this copiers? Okay, so we create here the highlight table for text. So congratulations, now you know how to create a highlight table that uses the color to make the pattern and high and low value in your data stand out. Using highlight table is a great way to make important data easier to find. So that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.